I'm telling you now, don't sleep on these smoked lamb shanks. Super tender and delicious. Now let's go to the kitchen, y'all, and let's prepare this together. Hey, y'all, we're gonna try something I never tried before. Lamb shanks. I was going through the market and I saw these. It was $5.98 a pound. That's about the cheapest you find in any big cuts of beef today. So I said, you know what, let me give it a shot. And pretty much I researched it. You just cook it like any other big tough of meat that you just need to cook a long time, low and slow. So you know that's what we do. So we gonna give it a shot and make a luxury meal out of a deal. Ooh, I'm rhyming, y'all. All right, let's get started. All right. It look good. It look good. I am gonna put some slits in the fat down here so that my marinade I'm gonna make up can penetrate. Just do it like that. Let's whip it up, y'all. I got a tablespoon of diamond crystal kosher salt, a 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And next in line here, I got the thyme. Do a teaspoon of that, teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon of rosemary, teaspoon of parsley, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, and lastly, for the dry seasonings, a teaspoon of paprika, a little bit of olive oil, so roughly a tablespoon and a half of that. It's a pretty nice size one, so I think I just need a half of this one. All right, let's get it whisked up. All right, it's looking real good. It's looking official. All right, so what I'm gonna do, throw it in this plastic gallon bag here. Y'all already know what we doing. This is going in the fridge overnight, baby. Get on up in there right now. Massage it all up in there. Y'all know this is going in the refrigerator overnight. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow outside on the smoker, and we gonna get it in. Got some B&B charcoal in here. I really like these tumbleweed lighters. It makes everything easy peasy. Got a nice piece of post oak right here. And it's gonna do what it's due. All right, still coming up the temp. It's at about 175 now. So let's go ahead and get them on here. Let it capture all that good smoke. Ooh, we going now just like that. Ooh, look at that, y'all. That is beautiful. Let's give it a good old hour, y'all, and we'll be back. Flip to the other side and let it get some color. My peeps, let's see what we got. 1 hour in, smoky. That look good. Let's flip to the other side. All right, I'm gonna get about 45 minutes, and then I think I get the color I want, and go ahead and wrap. See y'all back in 45. All right, 45 minutes. Let's see where we at. Okay, 167. It's time to take them off and get them braised. We're going for the next level of tenderness now. This is what you call flavor explosion. Like them red peppers, white onion, 6 garlic cloves. Put a little W sauce in here. I'm about to be like Hammer. Please don't hurt him, Hammer, baby. Don't hurt him, D. A little balsamic vinegar. Let's get this back on the smoke. One hour should do it. All right, it's time to take it off, y'all. It's been 1 hour. Now let's go inside. Let it cool down for the taste test. Let's check it out.
Oh! This is a surprise to me.
Yeah, buddy.
Baby.
Wee.
Coming off that bone, too.
Wee.
Wow.
You know what? Let's get it on over here.
Wee.
Y'all see how tender that is?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
This smells amazing.
Y'all see that?
Ooh.
Y'all see that?
That don't make no sense.
Might save that bone for something. I don't know. Look at that. Look at that. You want to go somewhere and get a meal like that? Get a little hummus. Ooh. We gotta see what this meat tastes like.
Let's see.
Just that type of stuff. You can't stop eating it. But I ain't gonna do that to y'all. I'm telling you. I had no idea lamb shanks was this fire.
Oh, baby, they smell amazing.
Man. And then you just go ahead, what? We just do it all together.
Got my mouth watering.
Got that. Little hummus. Like that with the bread.
Don't hurt them.
Mm-mm.
Oh, my mouth watering.
Kermit lady ready to eat.
Yes.
So I gotta go. Catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.